How's it going, guys? Man, let's try to make some sense of this wild, wild west. So funny. Me and the team are like hanging out over Telegram right now. I'll I'll show this to you guys. We're talking about like why the crypto drop happened, and we're throwing all of our wild, wild west emojis over here, which I think are hilarious. And I know, guys, I'm gonna go into the bad comments on this one, but I've never seen Tombstone, so I need to go watch Tombstone apparently because the guys are saying it's really awesome. So, anyways, that's what we're up to. We are done with emails, just so you guys know. So we're just having a little bit of fun. All right, let's talk about Bitcoin, guys. Quickly, let's give you an update. We're 106 for 106 wins on this channel, and we've never lost a trade. Guys. I'll just be honest on this video. I'm not even worried about this drop whatsoever. It's actually extremely healthy for a continuational move up, if continuational is a move. So a word here. I'll show that to you guys. So in the second half of the video, I'll show you guys how to trade with us because we literally have never lost a trade and we're doing very well. And so we're going to go over the indicators as well as the metrics. And let's just dive in here. Let's have some fun on this Friday, shall we? Okay, guys, here's what we're looking at. Our entry on Bitcoin was here on November 15th, December 3rd, and then January 21st. And then we still haven't hit our fourth buy limit. We're only 7.85% away from break-even entry. Nothing at all. Okay. Here's my thoughts, guys. Could we be heading down to $39,000? Yeah, we could head down to $39,000, and I'll show you guys the reason why for that, but let's go over the indicators real quick. All right, trend dashboard. Let's dive through here. We are now seeing that majority of indicators for retail traders are at... Hey, it's playing with us here. Okay, we're split half and half now. Okay, now we're not. All right, what we're seeing here is basically indecision. I know I'm joking a little bit on this video, but all in seriousness, guys, like this shows indecision. A lot of traders right now don't know if we're going to keep going down or if we're just in a nice higher low formation to move back up. If you guys watched the previous Bitcoin videos and Ethereum videos I told you guys, man, based off the metrics I'm looking at over here, we're going to move down in the short term. Like that was predicted. We're seeing that right now. It's pretty... I don't want to say it's easy now, but it's like really, if you guys are watching these indicators here, once you get like a high and another higher high formation on price action, and you guys actually see that the well money flow is moving out of the market, you're going to drop down in price. Like it's just pretty standard now that if you guys have these indicators, you guys are like, okay, yeah, we expected that. Trend exhaustion is pretty high up here in the top red section, well money flow high. Yep, got to drop back down. Pushed up back into the top red section. I didn't expect Bitcoin to go any higher. We saw the drop back down. So the indicators are calling the drops. They're calling the pumps. Like even back down here, we're like, okay, we're seeing a nice little bounce off here. Trend exhaustion low, well money flow move back down, and we see the pump back up. So the point of me showing this to you guys is like, we're at the point now where these indicators are so accurate. It's not like taking us by surprise, and I'm not surprised at all that we're moving down. Like it's actually supposed to move down based off our indicators. Now, as far as a move down, what you guys really want to know is, okay, Travis, well, how low could we possibly go? Well, let me give you guys, we'll look at some more data here, but in the short term, I do think we could head down to this, what's called an ascending support line, which is going to put us right around $39,000. So if we head down to $39,000, that's not going to be a big deal. We'll just head down here. Right when that happens, trend exhaustion will most likely get to the bottom red section. Well, money flow will be moving down. And by that time, guys, it'll just be a perfect springboard action back up, looking to, basically see the market go back up from there. This is very, very, very healthy that the market's moving down now, and it didn't just keep heading straight up here. Like I said, I don't think we're just going to fly up to 50,000, 55,000 super fast in past videos. It needs to have this healthy higher low formation in order for us to keep going up. I do think we will continue this overall trend going into next week of an uptrend, but let it be healthy of a move down. Really quickly, guys, you want to call these markets with us? This is why we're not anxious. We're just kind of peaceful hanging out. These three indicators, they're in the description. They're under the bundle pack link, and the bundle pack is 82% off today if you guys want to snag that. So great day on Friday to get our indicators because it's what we use, and we've used these to call exits and go 106 for 106 wins. Okay. Let's go over to the Bitcoin charts now. Let me show this to you guys real quick, how to access this. This is on tradeconfident.io, part of our membership. You guys get access to all of the entries for all of our coins, as well as access to all of the metrics I'm going to show you guys for Bitcoin, as well as for all of our 12 coins, Telegram access, Inner Circle access, as well as Masterclass access. Guys, we're upping this to $95 a month, February 25th. So you have 14 days. Do not miss your opportunity to get in here. Okay, let's go over the Bitcoin charts, and we'll go over the metrics. All right, emotional index, we are sitting up here into the excited area. Again, this is not surprising whatsoever that Bitcoin is heading down here and the market's seeing a little bit of a pullback. We're in the excited area. area. Like what happens when you get excited? When retail traders get excited, guys, wells and institutions are going to look to short the market back down. It just happens. So when you guys are seeing this happen up here, when you get into the excited area, don't be surprised if the market heads back down. Okay, it's just what happens in the market. Wells take profits. We've taken profits, guys. That's why we won like 4 trades in a row here from 102. Okay, look at this. Long versus short trades right now. This is actually very interesting, in my opinion, because this is usually when you see price action heading up here, long trades usually increase to actually show the demand of short trades because the price is so high looking for the move back down. But this is, again, why I don't think this market is just going to keep plummeting back down. And, you know, some people are like, oh, we're going back to $30,000. No, I don't know about that. I don't know about 30,000. I'd be more convinced if short trades were actually increasing. But look, guys, the market's going down and short trades are actually going down and long trades are entering into the market. If you guys know anything about this setup over here, this is bullish. Like, think of it as a weight on a scale. If short trades are moving out and long trades are heavier, like more weight is going to be put on the side of long trades, which is bullishness in the market. So from a blockchain level on over here for Bitfinex, looking at long and short trades, like long trades are increasing. This shows me that wells and institutions are looking to buy the dip. Let's continue down here. Market cap strength. All right, what is this looking at? I'm seeing here that the market cap is moving up here. I like this. What does this tell us? This tells us the percentage of Bitcoin relative to the overall market cap. If we take this and we literally just look left on the charts right here and go straight over, we can see we're sitting at, hold on, let me get closer to the chart here. We're sitting at about 42.5%. Great. It's moving up. I like this. Even though the price is still moving down here a little bit, we still see the market cap moving up, meaning that money's flowing into Bitcoin. Means the big wells institutions are buying this. Guys, if the market cap of Bitcoin goes up, do you know what that means? It means it has to move out of other altcoins. So money moving back into Bitcoin shows me this is probably going to be somewhat of a temporary move back down just to see a move back up. All right. Yes, we've got support. We could hit that. But overall, it's looking bullish. Okay. Trades in favor. We had good short trades up here. We're just seeing the side effects of this. The market moving down. Those of you guys who took short trades with our indicator here, this metric, you know, you guys are doing great. Fantastic. I would look to take some profit. Definitely when we get down anywhere close to about $41,000, I would definitely be looking to take profit. Definitely around 40,000, I'd look to take profit because that's a big whole number, which we will probably end up bouncing from. So if you are in short trades, look around 40,000 to take some profit. Okay, well, in institutional smart money, what are these guys doing? Well, they came out very strong here with some short trades right around this area when this pumped up here and we had an overextension. Ever since then, what's been happening here, if you guys can simply watch this, look at this drawback here back to the middle point here, getting closer to pushing up into long trades. All right, watch this metric tomorrow when it updates at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I wouldn't doubt if we are actually going to see a bar up here to long trades. That is a bullish sign that wells and institutions, smart money, are buying the dip for a move back up. Okay, that's all that means. This is, once you guys start watching this, you're not going to freak out about the markets. It's like, okay, it's just going down. Like, yes, it's healthy. This is very, very good for the markets. It's very good for a bull market that this is happening, okay? Support and resistance prices here. Next resistance, obviously, structure high up here, which is what we're looking at. Now, as far as that support here, a really strong level of structure support is at $39,000. That's just right here, okay? It's just right around this level. It also correlates to the ascending support line, which is why, maybe I'll put this in the thumbnail of the video, 39,000 is an easy place for us to head down to, but also it's probably one of the greatest bounce zones we possibly have because when it gets down here, we hit whole number, 40,000, we hit ascending a support line, bounce, and we have the trend exhaustion and the well money flow down here. So guys, honestly, I hopefully you can hear my voice in this. I know we're just joking in the beginning of the video, but like I'm not concerned about this move down at all. At all. Okay. It's just healthy. Dollar cost average entries. And I'm going to show you guys how to get into a trade here for Bitcoin. Then we'll end this video here. I'll tell you guys about our indicator cell one more time to show you guys where the links are. Dollar cost average entries for those of you guys who want to get into the market and you got some entries here. That was you're doing very great. If you guys followed me in Telegram where I entered in $49,000, that was exactly at the bottom down here. We entered in. I showed it to you guys in previous videos. And if you guys did that, you're doing extremely well if you took that dollar cost average entry when I came out with my entries for the $49,000. Okay, exit points here. We can clearly see that we've got a block of red. Well, guys, if that doesn't tell you we could possibly be heading down, like I don't know what does. Like for all of our traders who have these metrics, we're just like chilling over here like on a Friday. We're like, we knew this was coming. So, not to be like arrogant or anything like that, because I know people are probably losing money because they FOMO'd in. But seriously, guys, The indicators are helping you guys stay out of these markets. And because I know some people who are watching this video, they FOMOed into this thinking it's just going to go to the moon. Guys, the price is not going to keep going up if well money flow is moving down and price structure moves up. It's called divergence. I've shown this to you guys so many times. And like really, if you guys want to trade with what I should have called this like the trade butler. Like literally it's like indicators that are butlers are like, hey Jimmy, before you get into this trade, take a look at these indicators. Like we're using them. Travis is using them. He's never lost a trade. Like they're obviously working. Okay. Death cross right now, we're still active. I am looking for the 50 to come above the 200-day moving average, and that will give us what's called a golden cross. So let's just keep an eye on that. Okay, let's look at this. I'll show you guys for Bitcoin here, and then just know that no matter what coin you guys want to trade with us, it's the exact same procedure. We got basically 4 buy limits and 1 sell limit. So let's take this for example here. These are going to update tomorrow morning, okay? A lot of you guys actually, let me see this. The entry here was at 42478, So you guys actually got triggered into this trade today. So congratulations, guys, for everyone who's with us and you guys took this entry here. You guys are already in here. So great job. If this starts moving back up, you're going to start making profit. But if it moves down, you have buy limits. So here's what you guys can do to trade with us. Simply take the amount you want to trade with. Let's say it's $1,000. Split the $1,000 into 4 equal portions, so $250. And then place $250 at each of the 4 buy limit prices in yellow. Okay, 250, 250, 250, 250. Great. Once your first buy limit is hit, just set up the sell limit in green. All right, this is like very elementary, very, very simple. After you do that, come down here and click the Telegram channel here where it has a little link there. This will give you guys access into our Telegram channel. Make sure you're signed up on your phone or your computer first, and then it will give you guys automatic access over here where I'm calling exits for all the coins that we're in. And it looks like I'm getting blown up over here in our business chat. So I'll have to get over there after this video. But that's all you guys are doing, getting over here. And I also am giving you guys, like, here's something I just did as well. I showed you guys that we ended up officially closing out the AVX trade. And again, like you guys requested that I do this, so I'm doing this for you guys. Every time I enter into a new trade, I'm just letting you guys know. So I use the buy limits on the website to enter back into AVAX, and that's what I did. So that's a full call there. All right, guys. Last but not least here, obviously we're expecting this move down and then a move back up. It's pretty simple. In order to call this better, honestly, guys, get the indicators. Friday, it's a great day. Most people are getting paid today. The best deal on this is basically to come out here and start getting the indicators, the ones that you guys really need to copy me: price for swell money flow, trend dashboard, and trend exhaustion. Okay. Once you guys have these, you will have the exact same analysis on my videos that I do every single morning. And this is how we're calling drops and we're calling tops in the market, as well as how we're calling pumps back up. Okay. When the market got basically oversold here, we saw the trend exhaustion at the bottom. Well, money flow hit the bottom. What do we expect? A move back up. That's why part of the reason why we entered in that $49,000 and why we're doing extremely well in our account. Okay. Currently, let me give you guys a snapshot of the account. Oh, and then I want to tell you guys how to do taxes. We're getting a lot of emails because it's tax season, and you guys are like, Travis, what do you use for taxes? So let me show that to you guys too. That'll help a lot of people out. 136,771, 150,000 is break even. So we're doing fantastic in this account over here. Not worried whatsoever about this. This is very healthy. Real quick, guys, the bundle pack is the best thing to get. This is actually going to give you 82% off all of the indicators. I know it's like pretty much a Black Friday sale that we've had going on here. If you get the 3 that you need, you're going to get about 40% off. You're going to pay pretty much the same price to get the 3 that you need anyways for the bundle pack, and you're actually going to get 6 more indicators on top of these 3 for a total of 9, which is the list of all 9 of them right here on the website. So guys, snag the bundle pack today, over the weekend. Make sure you guys get that. It is the best deal we've got going on, and we are eventually going to be upping the price of the bundle pack, so you guys will only basically get appreciating value once you snag that. Okay, let's go over this. You guys want to go over what I use for taxes? This is going to be very simple. It's not like a big deal. I'm going to get this back on the charts here so you guys can look at this. I use Coinly. I use Coinly.io. That's all I use. So it's a super awesome tracking platform. I have embarrassingly paid for too many other tracking softwares for crypto and account tracking that it's just like ridiculous. But I'm happy to say that this is the absolute best platform I have ever used. The interface is amazing, and it prints out you can print out your 8949, but it gives you your form 8949. If those of you guys who are tax professionals, you know this, you must submit an 8949 with your taxes. You have to do that, okay? It needs to be attached. If you guys are doing H&R Block, if you're doing TurboTax, you need to either print it out, you need to mail it in, talk to your financial advisor. I'm not that guy, but literally you need an 8949 form to be printed out in order to show capital gains on either short-term or long-term capital gains, okay? They provide that for you. It's very inexpensive. I don't know if they show the price down here, but I think I paid like $100 for up to like 1,000 trades. Really, really cheap with a really good, I'm not affiliated with these guys, just what I use, and you guys want to know, so that's what I use. All right, guys, going into the weekend, yeah, we could see a crash down here next week to $39,000. If it does, it's honestly going to be super healthy. And then we could start seeing a pump back up here, probably about 50,000 by next week. Guys, if this just simply comes down, makes a healthy higher low formation, 50,000 by next week is not unrealistic whatsoever. So I'm sorry, this isn't, excuse me. This isn't like a really big pump video of like, oh my gosh, we're going down super hard or we're just going to fly up. It's really, sorry guys, let me get some water. I really just wanted this video to just be honest. Like, we're not worried at all about this market, like at all. So, it's not a hype video. It's just, we're not worried. So everybody set up your buy limits, get the indicators to watch what's happening in the market. And we're just going to watch it fluctuate down here. And if we do break below here, actually, here's a situation where I would get a little worried, to be honest. Not worried, but like, we'll need to watch this. If we do break below, basically $38,000, that will put us below the ascending support line, and that's where we could possibly start heading down to around $33,000 to $32,000, and that might be something we really need to talk about. But I personally, guys, don't think we're going to head down below this area here before we see another move back up in Bitcoin. So that's my honest analysis of looking at charts for 4,000 plus hours, and the metrics are showing us that it's bullish too. So everything that we have, guys, is showing us that this is a temporary drop in the market and an overall continuation of a bull market move up here. All right, guys, God bless you so much. I am heading off to dinner with my parents this evening. They're cooking some hamburgers, so I'm gonna go spend some time with the family. Hope you guys have a really, really good weekend. God bless you guys so much. I love working with you guys. I love having you guys as a family over here to trade with. And yeah, if everything you guys need is in the description, the indicators are there. 82% off. Snag those bad boys. They're definitely going to help you. And then being able to get your membership before the price goes up in, I think it's, 14 days. 14 days, we're going to up this price. So if you guys want to trade with us as a family, get over here and take all the trades that I'm taking. We've never lost a trade. Have the highest win rate on all of crypto. Well, maybe, possibly, but all of YouTube. And then you guys can get in at $49 a month, and we'll grandfather you in. So everyone who gets in at $49 a month right now, you guys will stay at $49 a month for as many months as you want to hold this membership. So that's honestly a ridiculously awesome deal. So I'll see you guys later. Everything you need is in the description. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys Monday when I come out with more YouTube videos. Don't worry about this. Temporary move down for an overall continuational move up is what I'm seeing here. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.